से आप सभी परिचित हैं। यह धुन गायत्री महामंत्र की है, जिसका अर्थ है उस प्राण स्वरूप, दुखनाशक, सुख स्वरूप, श्रेष्ठ, तेजस्वी, पापनाशक, देव स्वरूप परब्रह्म परमात्मा के तेज को हम अंतःकरण में धारण करें। वह परमात्मा हमारी बुद्धि को सन्मार्ग में प्रेरित करे। इस महामंत्र की वैज्ञानिकता को आज के वैज्ञानिक ने भी शोध में पाया है कि इस मंत्र के उच्चारण से 1,10,000 साउंड वेव्स पर सेकंड प्रोड्यूस करने वाला यह वेद मंत्र, जिसे युग विश्वामित्र परम पूज्य गुरुदेव पंडित श्री राम शर्मा आचार्य जी ने पुनः वैदिक युग की तरह आधुनिक युग में भी अखिल विश्व गायत्री परिवार की स्थापना करके विराट समूह मन के माध्यम से विश्वव्यापी बना दिया है। तो ऐसे विराट महाकाल की सत्ता को हम कोटि कोटि प्रणाम करें।
I want to tell you about the situation in Haridwar now due to heavy rainfall and lightning in Haridwar. Since last 3 hours we are not able to connect and the connectivity of the network is also very poor. So we felt sorry for this trouble and also sorry for the late starting of this international webinar. Now you all have joined us. Let's start this international webinar.
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय वेबिनार के इस भव्य एवं दिव्य कार्यक्रम में कुलपिता युग ऋषि वेदमूर्ति तपोनिष्ठ पंडित श्री राम शर्मा आचार्य के दिव्य स्वप्न का मूर्त रूप एवं गुरुवर के कालजयी क्रांतिकारी चिंतन को, वैदिक संस्कृति को विश्वव्यापी बनाने में सतत प्रयासरत, जिसका ध्येय वाक्य ही यजुर्वेद का वह मंत्र जिसमें ऋषि कहते हैं सा प्रथमा संस्कृति ऋषवारा, अर्थात वह संस्कृति जो विश्व की सर्वप्रथम है। ऐसे विश्वविख्यात गंगा की गोद, हिमालय की छांव, सप्तऋषि क्षेत्र एवं भगवान महाकाल के संरक्षण में स्थापित देव संस्कृति विश्वविद्यालय के डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइकोलॉजी द्वारा आयोजित इंटरनेशनल वेबिनार में आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत है, अभिनंदन है।
Welcome you all who are recently joining our this international webinar. I can see on the screen Dr. Santosh Vishwakarma has joined us, Dr. Piyush Trivedi, Dr. Purva Sharma, Dr. Usha Jyoti, Dr. Anuradha Kotnala, and Dr. Smita Vasisht, and so many delegates and various peoples from our university has joined us. Thank you so much, and we also thanks to the viewers and audience who are watching us on the live stream which is presenting on our page, that is Karuna Improving Mental Health. We are giving a big thanks to all the participants who are joining us.
वैज्ञानिक अध्यात्मवाद के प्रणेता कुलपिता पूज्य गुरुदेव मनोविज्ञान के विभिन्न पहलुओं पर ऋषि चिंतन एवं वैज्ञानिक दृष्टिकोण का समन्वय करके सैकड़ों ग्रंथों का लेखन किया है। इनमें चमत्कारी विशेषताओं से भरा मानवीय मस्तिष्क जो कि वाङ्मय 18, अपरिमित संभावनाओं का आगार मानवीय व्यक्तित्व जो कि वाङ्मय 21 है, उसी तरह चेतन, अचेतन और सुपर चेतन जो वाङ्मय 22 है, और मनस्विता, प्रखरता, तेजस्विता जो वाङ्मय 57 है। यह ऐसे प्रमुख ग्रंथ हैं जिनके अंदर मनोविज्ञान के भारतीय परिप्रेक्ष्य के एवं आधुनिक मनोविज्ञान के समन्वय के स्वरूप में पूज्य गुरुदेव ने एक स्वरूप प्रदान किया है। इन ग्रंथों में जो आधुनिक विज्ञान का उपनयन संस्कार किया जाए, जैसे शीर्षक आधुनिक अर्थात पाश्चात्य मनोविज्ञान को चुनौती देता नजर आ रहा है। अतः वैदिक मनोविज्ञान, भारतीय योग मनोविज्ञान को आधार बनाकर आज के इस अंतर्राष्ट्रीय वेबिनार का थीम निर्धारित किया गया है, मानसिक उत्कृष्टता के लिए वैदिक संस्कृति का सार्वभौमिक दृष्टिकोण।
Thank you very much, Dipankar. As the topic or the theme of this international webinar is Universal Approach of Vedic Culture for Mental Excellence. as we know, the Indian rishis and the Indian culture has a vast experience in the field of mental health issues. So we should try to gain the knowledge, as we have read in the book that the Indian rishis are the philosopher of the human psychology. So with this theme, we should try to understand the vast and deep knowledge of our rishi culture regarding mental excellence.
भारतीय संस्कृति की देव संस्कृति की परंपरा अनुकूल हम दीप प्रज्वलन के माध्यम से इस वेबिनार का शुभारंभ कर रहे हैं। सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स अपनी भावना को दीपक के प्रकाश के साथ भगवान सविता के साथ जोड़ें और भावना करें ईश्वर हमें श्रेष्ठ पथ पर प्रशस्त कर रहे हैं। श्रेष्ठ विचारों का आधान हम में हो रहा है। ओम अग्नेय सुपथाराय अश्वान् विश्वानि देववयुणानि विद्वान् यो यो दस्मज्जुहुराणमेनु भूयिष्ठान्ते नमोक्तिं विधेम। परम पूज्य गुरुदेव परम वंदनीय माता जी का आवाहन करेंगे। ओम गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुरेव महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
We are going to present the Kulgeet of our university, Dev Sanskriti Vishwavidyalaya. So be conscious and listen carefully. The each words and lines of this Kulgeet are going to inspire us and tell us about the great and vast knowledge of our Rishi culture. So kindly listen carefully and try to understand each and every line of this Kulgeet.
संरक्षण यहाँ धर्म की मिलती उन्हीं से प्रेरणा हर क्षण यहाँ धर्म की मिलती उन्हीं से प्रेरणा हर क्षण यहाँ गुरुजन की दिव्य मृदु ममता मही रसधार है देव संस्कृति विश्वविद्यालय सृजन का द्वार है देव संस्कृति विश्वविद्यालय सृजन का द्वार है। यहाँ होता प्रखरतम चेतना का जागरण आपसी सद्भावना संवेदना का जागरण यह महामानव बनाने की सुघड़ टकसाल है खासकर इसमें युवाओं की बदलती चाल है खासकर इसमें युवाओं की बदलती चाल है दिल लगता उन्हें अपना सगा परिवार है देव संस्कृति विश्वविद्यालय सृजन का द्वार है देव संस्कृति विश्वविद्यालय सृजन का द्वार है। मानवी उत्थान का जो अनवरत आधार है, मानवी उत्थान का जो अनवरत आधार है। देव संस्कृति विश्वविद्यालय सृजन का द्वार है। देव संस्कृति विश्वविद्यालय सृजन का द्वार है। देव संस्कृति विश्वविद्यालय सृजन का द्वार है।
विश्वविद्यालय का यह कुल गीत सतत मार्गदर्शन प्रदान करता हुआ देव संस्कृति की गरिमा को अक्षुण्ण बनाए रखने के लिए हमें सतत प्रेरणा देता है। ऐसा यह कुल गीत। आइए बढ़ते हैं अगले कार्यक्रम की ओर। मेरी आवाज आप तक आ पा रही है? ठीक ठीक। Now it's time to connect with peace, happiness, joy, concentration within self, not outside, like a tortoise. जैसा भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने भी गीता में कहा है कि अपने समस्त इंद्रियों को सिकोड़ करके बिल्कुल एकाग्रचित होकर के आत्मा में स्थित हो जाओ। कुछ ऐसा ही पल अब हमारे साथ जुड़ने जा रहा है, क्योंकि अब से कुछ ही क्षणों में हमारे बीच होंगे देव संस्कृति विश्वविद्यालय के प्रतिकुलपति परम आदरणीय डॉक्टर चिन्मय पांड्या जी। I request to our all participants and guests, please listen him carefully and consciously.
Good morning to everyone, and my respectful pranams from Deva Sanskrit Vishwavidyalaya Shantikul Haridwar. I convey my heartfelt wishes and congratulations to the Department of Psychology of Deva Sanskrit Vishwavidyalaya for organizing this most important, pertinent workshop and congregation through the electronic media. In these historic and challenging times, we are right in the middle of a global pandemic and in the middle of a historic travesty ever seen by the mankind. The impact of the novel COVID infection on humanity had been colossal. We have seen the situations that humanity had never seen before: worldwide shutdowns, global restrictions, closures of entire nations and even continents. And in spite of all that, we haven't seemed to have progressed significantly in terms of finding a worldwide solution to this global and precarious situation. So these times are reasonably unprecedented. And of course, when the times are historical, of course when the times are challenging, and of course when the times are precarious, then they affect the human consciousness more than ever before. And in these historic times, where the collective decision that we would take now would define the course of humanity. So this congregation is here to remind us that we have to find a balance now. We have to find a balance between external progression and internal contentment. We have to find a balance between comfort and internal solace. A balance between excellence and regression. And this workshop is here to remind us that possibility that, with all the advancements we may have, accomplished significant things in our life, but at the same time we seem to have forgotten the real values. We are at the crossroads now, and for us to know that we are at the crossroads, we don't need to read any research article from a journal. We don't need to enter into an online debate on the Facebook. If we just ask ourselves with our hand on the heart that now when we have got everything that we desired for, are we really happy? Are we really satisfied? The question is that when our external lives seem to be full of shine and sparkle, then why under these glittery surfaces and all the shine and exteriors, why we have a life of pain and sorrow and misery and strife? Why we have got so painful, hollow and empty hearts? The question is that now when we have got money, why we have forgotten the satisfaction? Why we have the prosperity but we have forgotten the contentment? We may have huge houses to live in, but families are gone. We have got millions of rupees, euros and dollars, but inner contentment is gone. And And the Vedic culture and the approach of the Vedic culture that this university represents, it talks about finding that balance. And there could be no better way than to discuss and reach to that conclusion through academic complications. And in these challenging times when it is not possible for us to gather in terms of the live meetings with each other, these kind of congregations are not only the present but also the future. So I convey my heartfelt wishes to the Department of Psychology for organizing this wonderful event, and I hope that the sincere and serious and earnest discussions that will take place through this scholastic congregation would allow our people to find a newer path, not only for now but also in the future. Param Pujya Gurudev Pandit Shri Ravi Sharma Acharya ji, whose teachings and vision have fashioned the fabric and ethos of this Vishwavidyalaya, Deva Sanskriti Vishwavidyalaya. He talked about such situations for a long period of time, and he was the only one who talked about the concept that how psychology is the beginning of the same curriculum on which you see the spirituality at the other end. They both are the part of the same spectrum. Where the mind ends, the pursuit of the spirituality begins. And maybe through these kind of congregations we can bridge that gap and create a new academic discipline for those who are sincere seekers. So my pranams, my gratitude, my thanks, my best wishes for the success of this wonderful event. Pranams to all.
Thank you very much to our Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Honorable Chinmay Bhaiya, who always appreciate our work and always ready to help us for this honorable presence during this international webinar. We are highly blessed and we should try to adopt his deep knowledge about our Vedic culture. Thank you so much Bhaiya for giving your valuable time and providing your message. Now we will move forward to our coordinator sir of the Department of Clinical Psychology, without whom efforts and blessing this webinar will not comes in that form we are seeing it. So we are welcoming our coordinator sir, Honorable Dr. Santosh Vishwakarma. Sir, if you are hearing my voice, you can present your views and also introduce us about this international webinar.
Thank you, Samyak. Om Shri Gurave Namaha. With the blessings of Param Pujya Gurudev Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya ji, Param Vandaniya Mata ji, Mata Bhagavati Devi Sharma ji, Chancellor, Dev Sanskriti Vishwavidyalaya Haridwar, Vice Chancellor, Shri Sarat Pardhi ji, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. Chinmay Pandya ji, respected Registrar Sir, Sri Baldav Devangan ji, all the Deans and academic staff of Dev Sanskriti Vishwavidyalaya, and most valued invited guests, invited key speakers from all over the world, especially Dr. Ulrich Berg, who is the professor in Konstanz University, Germany, Dr. Henry Gregory, a clinical psychologist and assistant professor in University of Maryland, USA, Dr. Barry Ratner, one of the very good experts in Homa therapy from Poland, and various key speakers from our own country, such as Swami Paramarth Devji Maharaj from University of Patanjali, and Dr. Pradeep Khatri ji from University of Lucknow, and Dr. Vaishali Gaur ji from University of Patanjali, Dr. Viral Patel, who is an expert in Yagya research from our Dev Sanskriti Vishwavidyalaya Haridwar, and Shadvi Devi Shruti ji. Dear friends and participants from all over the world, and dear students of our Dev Sanskriti Vishwavidyalaya Haridwar, and people from all walks of the life, and our beloved Gayatri Parijan from all over the country and from all over the world. Dear friends, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all for this international webinar on Vedic culture, universal approach of Vedic culture for mental excellence. Dear friends, I would like to share that this webinar is organized by Department of Psychology, Dev Sanskriti Vishwavidyalaya, Haridwar, India, with our webinar partner, Karuna team, Karuna Improving Mental Health Organization, which is an NGO. Dear friends, I would like to share that Department of Psychology was established in the year 2002 with the inception of the Dev Sanskriti Vishwavidyalaya itself. The university today has reached the height of great success. Our university was established with a vision to unite contemporary education with a spiritual training to cultivate well-organized, competent, personality, uplifted graduates who possess a scientifically grounded understanding and experience of spiritual transformation and a powerful drive to use their gifts to promote the greater good of society. Therefore, the motto statement of the university is hence aptly framed as a university for the global, cultural, and spiritual renaissance. Today's international webinar is one of the great steps taken by the Department of Psychology towards the achievement of the university vision and mission along with our webinar partner, Karuna. Department of Psychology is offering PG degree program, undergraduate program, and PhD program nowadays, and planning to launch some more great, good program in the field of Indian psychology and indigenous psychology and indigenous techniques in psychotherapy. We would like to we would like to establish or develop as a center of excellence of indigenous psychology in future. So that all the programs are designed in our university, in our department in such a way so that the culture and spirituality have enough space to get adjusted and harmonized scientifically in our curriculum. So far, Department of Psychology has produced around 450 postgraduate students, around 1000 graduate students, and more than 80 PhD degree holders. For me, mental excellence is the ultimate stage of mental development to attain. However, its attainment is not so easy. It needs continuous efforts, cleansing and training of the mind. The techniques and process of cleansing and training is inherited in our ancient Vedic culture. Vedic culture itself is a result of the several centuries long living practices by the ancient sages and sadhakas practitioners. Vedic culture has vast scientific knowledge of various practices and techniques to clean, train, and explore the mind in form of yoga, yajna, ayurveda, etc. Once mind gets cleaned, it gets lightened according to famous sage Patanjali and get enriched with various unimagined qualities. A clean and trained mind can appropriately utilize and enhance the abilities of sense organs, our eyes, ear, nose, tongue, skin, etc., and thereby control the perception and attention and cognitive skills of human beings. In the present webinar, we are fortunate enough that we have dignitaries and experts together here on one platform who have great experience, great knowledge in the respected field. In the coming 3 hours, we will be learning and interacting with them and having great experience about the knowledge of the whole world. So not taking much time, once again I welcome all the dignitaries, key speakers, our invited guests, all the participants from all over the world, people from all walks of life, and faculty members and fraternity of psychology. Thank you very much, all of you. Om Shanti.
Thank you, sir, to provide us the brief introduction of this webinar.